Hello everyone, welcome to Krakow video series. As many of us requested to do more videos on static GK, here is one and we'll be also releasing more videos in the coming days. In today's video, let's dive into static GK questions on culture. We have also recently released a video on top 1000 CMAT GK questions. If you haven't checked it yet, please do so. The link will be provided in the description below. Additionally, we are also offering a free CMAT mock test and 5 CMAT mocks for just 299 rupees. Please find the link in the description below. Now let's get started. First question. Which of the following musical instruments is Anuradha Paul associated with? The answer is tabla. The Hirelu song is known as the war song of which of the following states? The answer is Nagaland. Consider the following statements regarding Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is one of the classical styles of Indian dance. Kuchipudi is a name of a village in Karnataka. It is a dance drama which was known under the generic name Yakshagana. Usually Jiteswaram is performed as the Nritta number. Which of the following given above is or are correct? The answer is 1, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4 statements are correct. Next question. Phulaichi is the colorful festival of the state of Himachal Pradesh. Consider the following statements about Hindustani music compositions. First statement. Drupad is a serious and sober composition which demands effort from the vocal cords and lungs. Khayar is a word derived from Persian and implies idea or imagination. The Thumari is a light form based on the romantic religious literature inspired by the Bhakti movement. Fourth statement, the ghazal is yet another product of the Indonesian influence on Hindustani music. Which of the following statements given above are true? The answer is option C. 1, 2 and 3 statements are correct. Which of the following temples is located at Kanchipuram? The answer is Ekambareshwara temple. Next question. Match the music festivals to their states. Hornbill, Nagaland, Zairo, Arunachal Pradesh, Escape, Uttarakhand, Enchanted Valley, Maharashtra, Magnetic Field, Rajasthan. So the answer is option C. Next question. First statement. Kajri is a folk dance of Uttar Pradesh. Kuchipudi is a folk dance of Kerala. Kathakali is a folk dance of Kerala. Chakari is a folk dance of Uttar Pradesh. Ghapal is a folk dance of Rajasthan. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. The answer is A, C and E only. That is A, C and E only. Consider the following statements regarding to the Satriya dance and choose the correct answer from the options given below. Satriya is a fusion of dance, drama and music. It follows the old living tradition of Vaishnavatives of Assam. It is based on various ragas and talas of devotional song of Tulasidas, Kabir and Mirabai. So the answer is both A and B. Sinhalese, the official language of Sri Lanka, is generally considered to be belonging to the same family of languages as Marathi. Leshalaptu is a folk dance of which Indian state? The answer is Nagaland. Bihu is the traditional language of which of the following states? The answer is Assam. Next question. First statement. Gangyur festival is widely celebrated in Rajasthan. Sagadava festival is widely celebrated in Kerala. Majuli festival is widely celebrated in Assam. Solang festival is widely celebrated in Maharashtra. Bonalu is widely celebrated in Telangana. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. The answer is option C. A, C and E. Next question. Which festival is celebrated on the first day of Uttarayana? The answer is Pongal. Which instrument is predominantly used in both Hindustani and Carnatic music? It does not play melody but supports the singer or another instrument. The answer is Tanpura. Next question. Kud dance is one of the most popular folk dances of Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding Karnataka music compositions. The vocal form Ragam, Thalam, Pallavi is generally the main item in Karnataka music concerts. The Kriti is perhaps the most popular form in Karnataka music. The Tillana is the South Indian musical counterpart of the North Indian Tarana, rhythmic and fast in tempo. In Karnataka music, there was no influence of Bhakti in its development. Which of the following statements given above are correct? The answer is option C, 1, 2 and 3 only. Who out of the following is a master of Santur? The answer is Pandit Shivkumar Sharma. Who among the following was a classical Indian flute player? The answer is Hariprasad Chaurasia. Which of the following is a famous classical Indian dancer? The answer is Sonal Mansingh. Which Buddhist scripture describes about 16 Mahajanapadas? The answer is Anguttara Nikaya. The Third Indian Council for Culture Relations Distinguished Indo-Logistic Award for the year 2017 was awarded to the Japanese professor Hiroshi Marui. In which of the following temples is the Ambubasi fair celebrated every year? The answer is Kamakhya temple. In which of the following month Festival of Forests is celebrated in India? The answer is July. Who was the first Tirthankara of Jainism? The answer is Rishabdev. The given painting, The Potato Eaters, is an oil painting by Vincent van Gogh. Which of the following was not known to the Rigvedic period? The answer is Varna system. Posthumous Shivakumar Sharma is an exponent of Santur. The finely painted cotton fabric made in Golconda was called Kalamkari. Which among the following is not a classic Indian dance? The answer is Raslila. Name the dome-shaped monument used to keep Buddhist relics. Which of the following is the morning rag in music? The answer is Bhairavi. A Persian form of singing a poem is called ghazal. Next question. The 24th Tirthankara of Jainism is Mahavira. Which of the following Sufi order was the most orthodox? The answer is Naqshbandi. All of the following are the principal deities of the Vedic pantheon except Durga. In parts of South India, Lord Krishna is also known as Lord Venkateshwara. Which of the following is the famous Indian singer? The answer is Bhimsen Joshi. Which of the following is the son of Shiva and Mohini and was also called as Shasta? The answer is Ayappa. In which state the feast of Saint Francis Xavier festival is celebrated? The answer is Goa. Onam is a traditional Hindu festival celebrated in Kerala. The Lotus Temple is located in Delhi, India. It is composed of how many freestanding marble-clad petals? The answer is 27. One of the most important descriptions of the city of Dash in the 15th century comes from the Abdul Razak Samarkandi. The answer is Vijayanagara. Which festival is celebrated on the full moon of the Falgun month? The answer is Holi. One of the earliest Bhakti movements were led by the Alvars, literally those who were immersed in devotion to Vishnu. Who among the following was the classic Indian violin player? The answer is Vijit Jog. Which god, despite being the creator god among the Trimurti, is rarely worshipped today? The answer is Brahma. Which of the following was an eminent Indian painter, sometimes known as India's Frida Kahlo? The answer is Amrita Shergill. Which of the following is a famous classical Indian dancer? The answer is Uday Shankar. Jatra is a popular folk theatre of which Indian state? The answer is West Bengal. If you like this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. In case of any comments, please do comment in the comment section below.